A solar eclipse occurs when the moon moves directly between Earth and the sun, casting its shadow onto our planet. Depending on your location within that shadow, you may experience a total eclipse or a partial eclipse. Inside the narrow path of totality, the moon completely covers the sun. Day briefly darkens to deep twilight, and stars and planets become visible, along with the sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona. Outside the path of totality, but still within the partial eclipse path, the moon covers only part of the sun, creating the familiar crescent or cookie bite shape visible through proper solar filters. These phenomena are thrilling to watch, but you must follow some important safety guidelines and ensure you have the right equipment to protect your vision. Here's what you need to know. Do not look at the sun without proper eye protection. Doing so can cause permanent and irreversible damage to your vision. Leave your approved solar filters on during all partial phases of solar eclipses. There is only one point during a total eclipse when you can safely remove your eye protection, and that's during totality, when the entire solar disk is completely covered by the moon, revealing the corona. Only a small portion of an eclipse's path will ever experience totality, and this brief period will last just a few minutes at most. Keep in mind that not all solar glasses and filters are created equal. NASA recommends choosing filters that meet the newest and most stringent ISO safety standards to better protect your eyes from harmful solar radiation. Unfortunately, not every company has made the switch to the higher standard. Look for this label on the packaging: ISO 12312-2:2015E, filters for direct observation of the sun. Celestron's EclipSmart products with solar-safe technology all conform to this standard. Our solar glasses, solar telescopes, solar binoculars, and solar telescope filters filter 99.999% of visible light and the invisible spectrum, including infrared and ultraviolet light. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and enjoy the next solar eclipse.